ki khat ngut ki MLA ki balaphet nakaseng Congress hakamiet ka Sautrik Noiwing Arajar Arpui kilalek mi dakamet Ahmad Ulampang ki ying dawa thawain ka jala megalia uba med ba lingdo ban pensisha ya ka jingphet nok jongki shaka seng san perthai All India Trinamool Congress AITC hakno phaisingi ka Sautrik Noiwing Arajar Arpui uba med ba lingdo ulong bolayo diang ka shithi bola soi de ki khat ngut ki MLA ki balaphet nakaseng Congress hakamiet ka Sautrik Noiwing Arajar Arpui bat kumju ka shithi no Jones Secretary ka All India Trinamool Congress Abhishek Banerjee ubala pensisha ya ka jinglong khot ka jongki bat kani ka seng san perthai bathamai laong ba Katkum ka 2/3 majority ka 10 schedule kini ki khat ngut ki ba phet seng na ka Congress kilalait na ka jingshah sloit ka MLA kuman shukdo na ka khat nyungut da ka jingphet kini ki khat ngut ka Congress ka sa amta satang san ngut ki MLA ulampang ulong pat ba undang examine Katkum ki kendon bansim mik jing ithu upat ya kini ki MLA hak seng san perthai bathamai kum ka kunhun ba hakmat jongkaliang persha yeng da ba thuai ka chala megalia.
It's not today. They have submitted the letter yesterday, 12 of them. So I have received a letter submitted by the 12 MLAs who are all from the Congress party, and they've also mentioned that they have joined the All India Trinamool Congress. At the same time, I have received also the letter from the All India General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee, who had also welcomed them and recognized them as the members of the All India Trinamool Congress. Since I have received the letter yesterday, and I have requested all the 12 members of the assembly who belongs to the Congress party and who have split from the Congress party to ensure that all of them have signed the letter which I have received yesterday. I have requested them to come today to be present before me physically, and they have attended the letter which I have sent to them to be present today, and I have verified myself personally today. As far as the 2/3 majority, as per the 10th schedule, they have qualified, no doubt about it. But the rest of the things that needs proper examination so that due course of action will be taken. I have no comment right now as far as that thing is concerned. I will examine the matter, ensure that all steps taken by my office from here will be as per the constitution. For others, I have nothing to say. There's no where mention about the specific time that has to be taken. But whatever needs to be done, that will be done at the earliest. No, that's what I'm saying. As of now, I cannot say anything as far as that is concerned. What it appears that which demands 2/3, so that somehow I could see that it is justified for them that they can move out from it. But even then, I will examine the matter thoroughly and take necessary. So, I mean, I must tell you that they are 12 members from the Congress party. So they have defect from the Congress party and merged with the All India Trinamool Congress. That is the letter and signed by them. That's all. It's a simple letter. I have requested them to put down their signature once again in front of me. So they have done that also.